I love the tarot, but it can be very intimidating. 78 cards are a lot to memorize, but it is possible to read the cards before you've learned all the meanings. I'm going to teach you a technique called intuitive reading. All you need is any tarot or oracle deck. A pen and a notebook or journal will also come in handy. Shuffle the deck while focusing on your intention. Cut the deck and draw 3 cards face down. The first card represents recent events. What is happening in my life that I need to confront? The second card represents your current state. How am I being affected by the events from the first card? The third card represents good advice. What should I keep in mind as I confront these events and move forward? Turn the first card over. Intuitive reading is interpreting the images and symbols on the card in a way that feels true. What elements or symbols on the card are you drawn to? What do you associate with these elements? How does the symbolism make you feel? I suggest writing down your impressions, associations, and feelings during the reading. Keeping a journal is invaluable to learning tarot. Do the same for the second and third cards. Now think about how your associations relate to the card's position on the spread. Do the cards interact in any way? Do they share any symbols or themes? Now see the spread as a whole. What do you think the cards are telling you about yourself? I hope you found this tutorial useful. There's a link in the description to download a printable worksheet for this exercise, along with some great book recommendations for learning the tarot.